Hey Isla, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You got your foot up. What does that mean? Do you want some dinner? Isla, do you want some dinner?
Yummy, yummy.
Do you want some dinner? Put your foot up. Good boy. Okay, I'll get you some dinner. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, Isla, sit. Foot up. Foot up. No, big foot up. Come on. Isla, foot. Good boy. Can I have a kiss? No, big kiss, Isla. Big, no, big kiss. Okay, sit down again. Isla, sit. Come on. Sit. Big kiss. No, big kiss. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, sit. Okay, ready? Isla? Here we go. Woohoo! Who's that? The camera. Who's got the camera?
It's cleaning.
Yeah, he worked this out. He taught me this. I was cleaning my teeth and like spilling water and stuff, and he would come and sit down here, and I'd never noticed it. And one day I came in and he was just sitting there, and I thought, what the hell, what are you doing? And I came up and started doing whatever, and he started nipping my leg, and that's his attention getting. He doesn't bite, he just sort of holds it. I went, what do you want? He drinks from the tap, so I knew that wasn't it. And anyway, I started splashing with water, and he went for it because he worked out that his saliva, yeah, he can use it, but why would you if you can use water? He used to come into the shower when I would have a shower, and Michelle, he used to do it to Michelle, probably worse. He would open the door himself and he would stick his head in, but he wouldn't come all the way in.
When my cat used to, get splashed, she'd like freak out and run away and like try and bite you.
Well, absolutely. Ebony's totally like that. I was the only cat I've ever had that actually likes getting wet. But we haven't put you in the bathtub, have we? We could give it a shot, but I don't think you like it your feet wet.
Ah, that's good enough.
Yeah. So we'll get your ears wet, yes. What about your chin? Where's your chin? Where's your chin? Oh, he's all wet all over. He doesn't like his tubby deal. Hey, Isla, where's your nose? I think I can't get into the other tricks when he's still wet, I think. Just wet your tail. Wet your tail. Okay, lots more. Here we go. Lots of water. Okay. Oh, worse than a dog. Aren't ya?
He's quite wet, isn't he?
He's soaking. You're soaking. What's Cake doing?
Is that good?